After the last 30 years, and now what do you see ahead? It will be a bigger growth, the growth will continue, and what might be the catalyst for the same?
And now the growth will continue big time. The reason is any industry which takes time to build, and once it gets established, it's an industry which will be a industry to look for the future. Then the growth momentum picks up. So it's like how telecom industry went through a revolution. So it took almost 10 years for telecom industry to evolve.
Right.
Once people understanding the power of telecom industry, moving it from landline to mobile phone,
Right.
and they start seeing the advantage of mobile phone, you saw actually penetration increasing.
Right.
Today we have penetration on the smartphone has gone up quite significantly. Usage of smartphone is actually far superior
Right.
than the usage of the old phones, right? That's the way it is. So mutual funds also, in the same way, the last few years of movement that we have seen, now as we move forward next 5 saal mein or 10 saal mein, you will see faster growth. Faster growth not because of somebody is doing great job in terms of pushing the product.
Okay.
It's an automatic flow which otherwise will come in mutual fund will increase. Because of acceptance of mutual fund now is actually far higher. Therefore, any investment that you make, mutual fund will become part of the consideration. Pehle nahi tha.
अच्छा.
So abhi mutual fund will come a part of the consideration itself. Therefore, the next 5 years, मेरे हिसाब से, will be next 5 years, 10 years will be faster than the last 5-10 years.
So it is already in the investment bucket. People when they are considering the investments कि कहाँ investment करना है, तो उनका consider already है. So we don't have to push like earlier, and तो automatically वो allocation आ जाएगा, and growth आती रहेगी.
Correct. I think what is most important for them is asset allocation. So कभी कभी क्या रिटर्न के पीछे अगर भागते हैं, you will always get satisfied for some times. You will also see a disappointment period. Therefore, going aggressive on certain asset class by chasing return, as long as that investor is able to take care through the asset allocation, people like you who have been advising customers on how to invest in mutual fund safely, securely, with the long-term objective in place. If that principle अगर समझ के अगर invest करें, मेरे हिसाब से it will be, you will see more and more participation coming in.
So हम लोग के लिए अभी रोल चेंज हो रहा है ग्रेजुअली. इन्वेस्टर को लेके आने से ज़्यादा साथ साथ जरूरी हो जा रहा है उनको एसेट एलोकेशन सिखाना, और लॉन्ग टर्म में उनका अच्छा एक एक्सपीरियंस रहे एसेट एलोकेशन के साथ, एक डाइवर्सिफाइड पोर्टफोलियो के साथ. वहाँ जिम्मेवारी बन रही है.
Correct. Correct.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार की जोखिमों के अधीन है. योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें.